What inspired you to take the courses?
So I started on the EFT training, trying to get me under control, working with my own self. And there were some emotional things that I wanted to get under control. Any upsetting news would translate fairly quickly into higher blood pressure or a headache. And I am trying to take care of other people. All the while, my own body is going haywire. Very frustrating and difficult to do my job. And that's kind of my method of learning. If I can learn something and integrate it, then I can tell my clients about it. If you've heard a lesson and are integrating it and having success with it, then that's some pretty great news that you can share with people. And so it was me first getting myself regulated and more steady, talking to my clients, because for 20 years I've been working with people in pain and had not up until that point been able to affect my physical health or pain at all.
Would you recommend taking EFT Level 1 and Level 2?
If you want to go further in EFT and make it a profession, you still need it. And if you want to just make your own life better, it really is a value add.
What results did you get from taking these courses?
It was affecting my perceptions of the world around me. It was affecting my perceptions of safety. And a lot of the work that I did at the beginning with the EFT 1 and 2 is work on that aspect for me of creating greater stability. It was the emotional stuff from my childhood that was keeping me teeter-tottering as far as, okay, I'm not safe, I'm not safe. And I'm okay, I'm not okay, I'm not acceptable. I just had so many bad tapes running in the background, so many programs that were destructive to the point of I just couldn't trust people very well. And working through those issues, the thought of it was so overwhelming. It took me 1 month, and I literally tapped my way through that hell of a month. And I thought, okay, it totally can help me with anything. If I can get something of that magnitude done, this stuff works. So I'm a huge fan. And now I am not my own worst enemy anymore. Yeah, I'm one of my fans. Like that better.
Is there anything else that you'd like to add that we haven't really covered thus far?
I believe we are here in the world at this time because have you ever known a time that needed peace and healing more than now? This is one of the tools that will make a difference. It's not going to cause world peace, but it sure will help a lot of cranky people to be less cranky, to be less hurt all the time, to be less angry and frustrated.